Forgive, and you will be forgiven. Not 7 times, but 70 times 7. Forgiveness is a powerful act, a gift we give ourselves. When I choose to forgive, I'm not saying that what happened was okay. I'm acknowledging the hurt, but I refuse to let it control my life. It's like carrying a heavy backpack filled with anger and bitterness. Every step becomes a struggle. But when I forgive, I'm setting myself free. Jesus taught us to forgive not just once, but endlessly. 70 times 7. It's a reminder that forgiveness isn't a one-time deal. It's a continuous journey. Each time I let go, I reclaim a piece of my peace. It's not about excusing the wrongs. It's about my spiritual growth. Forgiveness transforms my heart, allowing love and compassion to flourish. So, I choose to forgive, not for them, but for me. In this act, I find strength, healing, and a deeper connection to my own humanity.